Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to upload a video on Google Drive, and let's dive right into the video. And now to upload a video on your Google Drive, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in drive.google.com like this and hit enter, and after that you'll be directed to this page. But if you have not yet logged into your Google account on your browser, or you'll be asked to log into your Google account with which your drive is associated, and after login to your drive account, uh to upload a video, let's go to the desktop by just sliding the video, and you can see there is the video of mine which I want to upload to the Google Drive. And after that you can do it through two ways. Either you can drag and drop the video directly into the folder or on the home of your drive like this, and you can see there is the uploading one item up here. Or you can just simply right click anywhere over here on the Google Drive, and you can see there is the file upload option available over there. Click over there and go to the place where your video is stored. For me it will be the desktop, and over here among these files you can see there is the screen recording for me, and click on open, and keep both files because they are the same files. Upload, and you can see guys, the videos are being uploaded to these two ways. And then guys, this is how you upload a video on your Google Drive. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon. Peace.